Oh yeah, we're just gonna jump right in, guys. So I am doing my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna do them really gently. This makeup look is literally what I do, not every day, but when I just want a little bit of something on my skin throughout the day, throughout this quarantine. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, and yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it, like bam, booda boom, bam, bam, and bam. So look at this. Alright, so moving on to my face, I'm going to first moisturize my face, and I recently just got this new serum. This is by Cocoa Butter, well, Palmer, and it's a cocoa butter formula skin therapy oil, and it's specifically for your face, so it helps remove dark marks, and it also helps to increase, like, you know, the level of your skin. So yeah. And then I'm also going to go in with my Equate dry skin facial cream. And then I'm also going to use a tad bit of Jergens Lotion. I use all of these three because sometimes with the serum and the cream, it kind of leaves my face too oily. So the lotion kind of balances it out to give me that kind of, you know, shiny but dry look, if that makes sense. Yes, so now we're looking extra moisturized. Yes, we are. So the next thing I'm going to use is my good old blush, guys. Let me tell y'all, like, honestly, this is really what I do. Like, I don't even wear foundation, none of that. So this is from Sephora. I don't know the color. I will link it down below. And I got this from Sephora about 2 years ago, maybe, or a year ago. And this blush is like really pigmented. And sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I don't, but I do keep my beauty blender on hand just in case I apply too much. And so what I normally do is just take my finger and I put like this amount on there. Let me see. There we go, like that. And then I just and I always get it wrong, then I have to go and fix it, but this is just what I do, like this. Just like this. So just add a little bit of, you know, color to my face, despite the marks. But yeah, see? And like, you really can't tell, and then you can tell. So then I want to go in the same and do the same thing on the other side. Next, what I'm going to do is use my blush brush, and I'm going to use my Fix Plus spray by NYX, and then I'm going to apply some highlight on my face. I don't do too much, but I like to apply it on my cheekbones, my nose, and my lip. On to the eyelashes. So I'm going to take my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I've been doing the castor oil treatment, I guess, and I've been applying castor oil on my lashes, and hopefully they grow and become fuller. But until then, this is all I have. And I have not been liking eyelashes for some reason. I guess because I'm not going anywhere. And with this whole natural makeup look thing, this is like the best way. So I'm going to go in with my new mascara. This is from Covergirl. I got it from Walmart. I think it was about $7. And I'm going to apply this all over my lashes. Wow, look at my lashes, y'all. So now onto the lips. I'm going to use this lip pencil that I got. I think this is NYX, I believe, and I'm going to apply that all over my lip line. And I don't have any lip gloss because the beauty supply stores are not open. So I just been using Carmax to kind of give me that glossy lip. Either Carmax or Vaseline, y'all, one of them. And I just been making it work. So yeah. So I did decide to use this pink gloss. I don't even know where I got that from, but it's from Wet n Wild, and I applied that on my bottom lip just to give me that kind of like a pinkish peachy look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was kind of fun making it. I enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed it. I love you all so much. Stay safe. Peace, love, and happiness. Good vibes only. And may God continue to bless each and every one of you. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.